Hi, this is J2 Productions. And today, we're presenting you with our videos. You can stop at the big stand. This is Teddy. His name is, and this is Mickey. Actually, that works. If you think about it. If you know the Jonas Brothers. It's like almost 2 o'clock in the morning here right now. That's so wrong if you even guess. Yeah, I don't even know if you could see the clock. We just don't feel like moving the camera. Yeah, we really don't. Or like if it's 2 in the morning. Yeah, we're tired. I got it at ring. Yeah. She thinks we're like engaged, but we're not. And yeah, we're cool people. Yeah, we're usually filled with excitement because, she had a bunch of candy, I had a few Snickers, and we had like big Coca-Cola. Yeah, it was like sugar highness. And my dad is sleeping upstairs. Yep, and he left the kitchen on. We just made a video of that not even 10 minutes ago. Yeah, actually probably was because she dropped the camera. Not my fault, you moved to bed. I moved to bed, I sat here. You were like, plop, fall. I didn't fall. By the way, I was supposed to draw a vein, but it didn't, it looks like a chicken's foot. Yeah. So it's not really a vein. Yeah, if you just see that, just so happen to see that in the video. Yeah, and yeah, she does it cut herself. Yeah, I'm like, not emo. And yet, look at her. Just because I like the color black does not. No, you sound all sad. No, just because you're cuddling a bear. Yeah, and emo people don't cuddle bears. If I was emo, I'd be in your corner, like stuffing crap up my nose and stabbing myself with needles and have a razor in my hand. Yeah, that's a nice mental picture. Yeah. This is basically our introduction. We have like, what, 2 of them? Yeah, and one of them, a couple of them. She kept on like, hold on, I'm gonna find you a picture. Random picture. And she was like pushing me off, and I got hurt. Actually, yeah, because my arm has been hurting me for like a week after that. And all my friends were like, oh my god, what's wrong with your arm? And I was like, Jessica pushed me. And they're like, Jessica, really? That like girl that you got to school one day?